Guys, is sanibonani. You know, I'm sitting here ngiyacabanga ne, thinking ukuthi how much I have put my family and my friends. I've put them through shit in life. I discovered ukuthi actually ngiba abusile. Ngiba abuse kakhulu. Being in an abusive relationship. And then the first encounter when that person abuses you, you go to your family and friends, or rather say maybe to your loved ones. This person did this to me, wangenza so. Right? And obviously, if family will feel it, bazokhala nawe, you know, set moments with you and all that, and then I'm so done, I'm ngisabuyele laphayana but havela deserve in back support. And then futhi kujidi wena futhi uyabuyela to the very same abuser. Ufika ulungisa izinto naye. Fine, kube mnandi angisho uzozenza ngathi ushintshile nyana, ushintshile uyazama ukushintsha ini aphilele. Angithi ama abusers will forever be. And then ubuyele futhi wena to your loved ones. Ufika ubatshela ukuthi ukwenzeka. Ukhumbule ukuthi how they would feel the first time and the next time you're coming, it won't be the same. Because of wena, we as self-sabotage, you keep on going to that person. And abantu abakuthandayo, how do you expect them to feel numb when this thing happens to you? We understand. Phinde futhi ukhale kubo, bazokukhalisa ngoba ayikho idustbin abazokulahlela kuyo. We understand. Ubuyele, ucomplaine, ukhale nabo, hoy, ni abuser. Angithi manje ifeel ukuthi you on the palm of his hand, of their hand. They will come back. Bakuthembise izulu nomhlaba baxolise, and most of times bazoblame wena ukuthi you the one who made them ukuthi benze lento abayenzile. Naye uzothuka ingathi lento ayenzile akakaze ayenza, akazi naye kwenzakalani, akuthembisa ukuthi uzoya kuma counseling, he wants to fix this. Now umthembe uzitshela ukuthi uzomsupporta vele umuntu wakho lento ayenzekile akusiwuye ini. Trust me. Your loved ones, they will drift away. You know why? Because they cannot bear the feeling. They cannot bear the feeling of looking at you drowning. Ngoba wena i-choice oyenzayo. And naye, i-abuser le, uzomake sure ukuthi uyaqhelanisa nabo. Uzokutshela the way abantu bakini bangakufunela izinto ezinhle ngakhona, abangani bakho bakumonela ngakhona, akasakufuna eduze kwabo, akubonisa abena that expression yokuthi angikufuna eduze kwala bantu lapha. And then they will make you choose between them and between them and your loved ones. So how do you put your family and friends through that situation where they have to watch you drowning? Ubhizi wena wenzela this abuser, ama excuses. Ulokhu menzela ama excuses, hey ungqubuzwe ikhabethe wena, hey he didn't intend to, hey nami ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngimprovokile, hey he's looking for help, naye uthi akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye. Hey, you know, really I need a moment ukuthi ngihambe ngiyoxolisa emndenini wami nakubangani bami, because they were with me through, and not that ukuthi phela uba bluetooth hatred. They just hate how you become. And ngeke bangamzonda umuntu okuzisa ubuhlungu. And then when futhi I feel ukuthi woba abuser you more than the abuser. Ngoba they cannot. How do you expect your family to witness what you're going through? And ukhumbule, an exterior's view, it's better than the one when within kuyo. We understand. Abantu abahlukumezanayo, guys, they always come up with excuses. It's either umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi yena lento lena unama-flashbacks kababakhe wayishaya uma wakhe. If you know exactly ukuthi how does it feel uma wakho esenziwa kanjalo, why are you doing it to another person? Ugcine umuntu sewuhleli kule relationship awumthandi uyamsaba ngoba uma umdampa ukushayela lokho ukuthi why umdampa ungilahlelani kusho ukuthi wena i-reason yokuthi ungilahle it's because kusewunomunye umuntu. He will never take lo muntu lo, they will never take accountability and say I understand where you're at right now and I love you so much to let you go. Yeah, usangifuni ngoba phela soqomile soyashaya ushayela ukuthi awusamfuni usuhleli ke wena manje not because of uyamthanda but uyasaba uhleli nomuntu omsabayo. And then kunale mibuzo uhlaleleni. Yo guys, yabo, I don't blame people who are staying in abusive relationships. I still blame them. I blame them, I don't blame them. Because if you've never walked a mile with their shoes, don't have an opinion. You will never understand. The only thing abayidinga is support. Ubayeke izinhliziyo izitshokozele. It's unfortunate others they lose their lives. That's the part now. Because they end up losing their lives. Abanye, they will have those traumas for the rest of their lives. All I'm saying is, if ungaphandle kule situation, begezela, iba nesineke for that person and hope for better days. And if you are in that situation, leave. I know it sounds crazy because others would say, sengihlalele ingane ngizoyaphi mangisuka lana akunalapho ngizoya khona. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Umuntu wakho namaqeda ukukushaya aphinde bekuye futhi umuntu ozokufuna iphashikwayi. Uma ungafuna umnikeza iphashikwayi akubuze futhi ukuthi ulala nobani waye ungamniki iphashikwayi. Aqeda umuntu wakho azolala la eduze kwakho akhone la eduze kwakho. Yikho ke manje sesinabantu abasemajele sisibethu basemajele because that was their only way for freedom yabo. I'm not condoning that, of course, because eyona nto sifisayo ukuthi umuntu akaphume isikhathi sisasekhona. But before sijaje, yo guys, before sijaje, asike siziphi moment and sike sizifake ezicathulweni zabo. That's all I wanted to say.